In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up macros on your Logitech G Hub application. The first thing that you want to do is to get and update the G Hub application from the official website right here. And simply inside, you then want to open up the application. From there, it will automatically detect the device that you are using. So you want to click the device that you want to put macros on. In our case, it's going to be the mouse right here. Now, after opening up your mouse or after clicking on it, you will go ahead and see three categories. Now we have the lights, we have macros, and we have another adjustment tool. In here, we have another categories like the commands, keys, actions, and finally macros. Now to add your own custom macros, just click on the create new macro, or if you want to find the preset ones, you just search for macros right here. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow guides to everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.